What's up, everybody? Kingsley Breaks here. We're just doing another personal box for Ryan. I only had 2 personal boxes available. Leaf Metal Sport Heroes, number 2, right here, personal box. $3 per box, jumbo. There you go. So Ryan, second personal box of the night, and has also gotten into our group breaks. We have a 2-box hit draft break on our website. We're at number 3 now. Just want to get that one going. Yeah, exactly. Most cards are at least going to go for 30 or 40, so regardless, you're still going to get your money back. Damn, what are you? You're so lucky just getting all these damn hockey cards. Mike Eruzione, Metal Heroes, 4 of 15 to start it off. There you go. You want some hockey? I'll give you the hockey. Well, he's the guy that scored the game-winning goal in the Olympics to win over USSR. He didn't win the gold medal over them, but got him to the gold medal game. Bob Greasy, 1 of 2. Nice. Solid. Legendary quarterback for the Dolphins. And our last one. It's a good name. It's a good name. We got Bo Knows, Bo Jackson. Obviously, he played baseball and football. And it is a 9 of 9, Bo Jackson. There you go. Again, not a terrible box. Even if this was a terrible box. 3 pretty good, well-known players. Bo Jackson, Bob Greasy, Mike Eruzione. There you go. And there you go, Ryan. That was your box break. Appreciate it. Again, we have a 2-box break that's down to 4 spots left. You're guaranteed a hit. Let's get that one going. Kings Elite, we'll see you.